Welcome back to my channel, guys. Let me give you a tour of this beautiful, elegant and stylish Airbnb apartment called Zaroon Studios at 90 degrees by Tsavo.
Tupeleke kwetu. Hey. Cheers. Every girl deserves to feel like a star. This lights are a bomb.
So the final review about the space of Zaroon Studio, located in Embakasi at 90 degrees apartments by Tsavo. The place is very cozy, it's stylish, it's beautiful, just more than what you see on the pictures on her site. She is also a very welcoming host. I also love the fact that there are a lot of candies, so you can just enjoy your candies while watching your movie or having your own fun. That was so thoughtful of the host. For a stay per night is $36. I'll leave the link down below so that you can go and get more information, and in case you want to book it. For now, just like the video, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.